Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to rotate a video in Windows quickly and easily. So let's get started. So firstly open File Explorer, select the video you want to rotate, right click on it, click on open. Once the video opens, here you will see the video is in landscape. Now click on three dots. Here you will see edit with Clipchamp. Click on it. Now it's Microsoft app Clipchamp. Once it's open, now you will see it will be opened and our video is opening. Click on three dots. Here you will see rotate by 90°. Once you will click on it, you will see the video is in portrait mode. If you gain back to normal, that's it. When it's completed, then click on export, and that's it. Your rotated video will be saved on your computer. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.